Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers which are commonly used, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to do it on your browser. Alright, let me just tap on it. So all we have to do right now is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on delete browsing data. So here we've got basic options. We can remove browsing history, opened tabs, cookies, cache and other site data. We can also change the time range from last 15 minutes to, for example, last 4 weeks. However, if you want to remove some advanced browsing history, tap on more options, and here we've got it. So for example, saved passwords, autofill from data and site settings. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range to, for example, all time, and then tap on delete data. We just got back to the home page, which means that we just successfully removed browsing history. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.